Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 2554 wall telephone, and this is Scott's equipment from South Carolina, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now this is an older unit, and you would have mounted this telephone directly to the wall. It does not have the equipment to go ahead and hang it on a wall jack. So we need to set up a pigtail that's about 6 or 7 inches long, and that will have a line cord modular plug at the end of it so he can utilize his original wall jack. There is another issue with this unit. It does not have a polarity protect circuit at the network, so we're going to install a polarity protect circuit. We also want to troubleshoot the handset cord, the transmit, the receive, our touch tone keypad, our hook switch, and we want to make sure that all of our connections at the network are tight and that they're proper. So we will be going through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with a repair of this really cool Western Electric 2554 wall telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier backed by the video. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. It is pretty quiet today, but if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Tuesday, October 1st. The current time, 2:28 p.m. and the temperature, 86 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric 2554 wall telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Scott and he can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.